I want to do a quick review and show you how this ultrasonic cleaner works. This was gifted to me and I'm excited to use it to clean not only retainers, but jewelry and other things. So let's see how it works. So the first thing we see is that this retainer cleaner comes kind of in three parts. We have our lid that is fully removable. We have our base here that has the power on it, as well as the spot for the plug to go. So we plug that right in. You can see the lights showing up. And we have our main unit here, which has the drip tray just for drying, and our tweezers for being able to handle things without using our fingers. Okay, now it does come with instruction books, which gives you very detailed description on the different settings. There are 4 settings. I'm going to fill this. You can see how it's stainless steel, so nice and cleanable and wipeable. It has a max fill line. So let's just fill it. Okay, so I have a couple pairs of earrings that are a little bit older, and I've got a ring that I want to clean. Okay, there we go. You don't have to hold it, it just wants you to push it. But because I'm cleaning jewelry, I want to go to the second mode, which is the 10 minutes. So that's okay. So we're all finished. This is where you can put the drip tray in as well. A little bit closer. You can see all the residue that is left. So it definitely did get some things clean and get some of that kind of hard years of dirt worth off. Whether it is cleaning jewelry, whether it's retainers, whether it's mouth guards, if your kids play sport where they have a mouth guard, this would be amazing, because if it's something that they're constantly putting in their mouth, you're gonna wanna make sure that it's sanitized and bacteria free, and this thing is gonna do the trick.